This Facebook page has made $343 from ads on Reels program. Now, if I go back, check this out. So also the same page has made $29 from bonuses, the performance bonus. So the ads on Reels program and Facebook performance bonus, there are two different monetization tools. There are two different ways you can make money on Facebook. In this video, we're going to talk about both and what are the differences, how do you access both. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, so let's go to Facebook, and I want to back up all the way so I can show you how to access these monetization tools. So make sure you turn into switch to your right page. So I'm into my page, and then you basically want to go to your professional dashboard, because that's where all the information about the monetization tools are or is. So view tools, and now if you scroll down, this is where it's going to show up. Sometimes I have to close the app. Looks like my Wi-Fi, or you can simply go to the professional dashboard. So this is where you will see, if you scroll down, here you go, under tools. So under tools, you want to go inside monetization. The first thing I want to mention, both of these programs, ads or reels and bonuses, they are invitation only. So you will get an invite. And how? Keep looking at your notifications. Ads on Reels program, make money by including ads on your Reels. So this is similar to YouTube ads. So advertisers, they spend money on ads. Facebook or Meta keeps some percentage, and they give us some percentage. And here you can see in last 28 days, $343.91. If you want to, for some reason, turn it off, you click on the settings icon. You can turn this off, and I don't know why you would. If you are in the program by invitation, if you're making money by posting Facebook Reels, why would you turn it off? Do not turn it off. And then if I click on see all, here's another cool thing you can see. You can see how much money your individual Facebook Reel is making. So $2, $3, $7. So you can see how much, and this is handy information because you can see which reels are making more money, and then you can do more of those type of reels. Here's this 8-second reel made $8. That's pretty neat. All right, let's go back. So that's one monetization program. The other one is, and yes, there's also in-stream ads, and we'll talk about in-stream ads on another day. There are multiple ways. So I hope you're seeing this. There are multiple ways you can monetize your Facebook. The other option or other feature is bonuses. Amplify your earning as a creator with bonuses. These bonuses are different. So last year, Facebook used to have something called Reels Play Bonus, where you got paid for the number of plays on your Facebook Reels. But this bonus, the performance bonus, is different now. What performance bonus is, it's interesting. It pays you for posting content and not reels. So your text post, your image post, your link post, your normal video post, you are getting paid for those. So posts earning the highest bonuses, and you can see text post made me the most money. And by the way, this page just got into this program just a few days ago. So after a month, we can do Apple, or like a better comparison, 30 days of ads and reels, 30 days of performance bonus, and we'll see which one makes more money. If you want to see that video, let me know in the comments, and once I have all the data for a full month, I can create that video for you. Now, if you click on see all, you can see here is the you'll notice from videos I'm probably not going to have anything. Images, here is the money that I've made, $2, $2.55, $1.39. So it's not a lot of money, but then obviously your content needs to be, if you do want to make money for performance bonus, you got to pay post content that's viral, that can get a lot of reach, that can get a lot of engagement. Memes work great, viral images work great. Just my initial observations. But here's the biggest one. Text posts. If I go to text posts, you'll notice, look, almost $5, $3.22, $2.42, so $2.35. So you can probably see this already. Text posts are making a lot more money. And then links, I probably don't have any because I'm not posting links on this page. So what's interesting is the ads on Reels, to make more money, you gotta post more Facebook Reels. But to make more money from bonuses, the performance bonuses, guess what? You gotta post anything but Reels. The text, the images, the videos, and the links. And there's some other monetization features that this page is not eligible for, but it might be in the future. So these are the differences between ads on Reels and bonuses. They are two very different monetization programs. Whichever one you get into, you can maximize it by tailoring your content so it can get more reach or more real plays, depending on which program you're in. Again, like I said, if you want me to do a better comparison after a month between these two programs, let me know, and that way I can do a comparison video and show you or tell you which one is actually making more money after 30-day period. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And now let's watch this next video together. Bye for now.